Good morning everyone. Today we are going to describe about the TI plasmid. TI plasmid, tumor inducing plasmid. This plasmid present in the bacterium Agrobacterium tumefaciens. TI plasmid which is used in the recombinant DNA technology. Recombinant DNA technology means insertion means TI plasmid is a vector which is present in the Agrobacterium tumefaciens bacteria. Whenever this bacteria inserted with our desired gene fragment, then that recombinant vector should be introduced into our desired host for expression of characters of our interest, that is recombinant DNA technology. Here first our vehicle for the transfer of our desired gene into the host is TI plasmid. This is the TI plasmid which is present in the Agrobacterium tumefaciens bacteria. The TI plasmid, tumor inducing plasmid, consisting of Vir region and tDNA region. Here the major portion of the TI plasmid, which is a conjugative plasmid of about 200 kb. This plasmid consisting of Vir region, consisting of Vir genes and consisting of about 7 operons, and this Vir region will helpful in the transfer of tDNA region from this bacteria to our desired host. This tDNA which is bound to this plasmid by 25 kb base pair sequences. Here this is right side border and this is left side border. Here in these two portions it is bonded to this TI plasmid, and this tDNA consisting of different genes which are helpful. The genes for synthesis of auxins, cytokinins, phytohormones, these are, and opines. Opine synthesis, nothing but amino acid synthesis. The tDNA region is a very important for the transfer of our desired DNA fragment from the TI plasmid into the from the bacteria to the other desired host. And whenever this TI plasmid which consisting of Vir region and tDNA region, this TI plasmid, whenever it is in contact with the wounded tissue, it releases some phenolic compounds. With the phenolic compounds, it will attract towards the host and activate and cleave at this base pair sequence site, and it releases this tDNA portion into the host plant. Due to the transfer of this tDNA portion into the desired host plant, which is integrated with the host DNA chromosomes, where the genes which are present on the tDNA for the synthesis of auxin cytokinin will be activated. Due to the production of auxins and cytokinins, the plant cells will proliferate and develops the number of the cells, so there is a possibility of formation of the galls or tumors. Likewise, these plasmid, the fragment of the TI plasmid tDNA portion which is transferred to the other host, causes the tumors in the host plant due to these genes which are involved in the production of auxins and cytokinins, which alters the regular functioning of the host plants and causes the formation of the tumors in the plant. This is about the TI plasmid which is present in the Agrobacterium and act as a vector for the transfer of our desired genes, and this TI plasmid can be used as a vector for the transfer of DNA fragments of our desired nature and which is ligated at tDNA portion. This is about the TI plasmid.